Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, your one-stop channel for making the smartest purchasing decisions. Today, we've got an epic showdown between two titans in the 3D printing world, the Entina Mini-Tina 2 and the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus. Who will take the crown? Let's dive in and find out. First category, price. The Tina 2 is priced at a wallet-friendly $169, while the Neptune 4 Plus will set you back $599. That's a difference of a lot of tacos. If you're on a budget, Tina 2 is your BFF. But if you've got cash to splash, Neptune 4 Plus might just be your new toy. Next up, ease of use. Reviewers love the Tina 2 for its user-friendliness. It's like the Fisher-Price of 3D printers. Plug and play, no complex setup, and you can start printing within minutes. Perfect for beginners and kids. On the other hand, the Neptune 4 Plus is like a fighter jet. It's packed with features and options, but you might need a pilot's license to operate it. If you're up for the challenge, it's totally worth it. Now, let's talk build volume. The Tina 2 is compact, with a build volume of 100 by 120 by 100 millimeters. It's like the tiny house of 3D printers, cute and cozy, but you're not fitting a grand piano in there. The Neptune 4 Plus, however, boasts a massive 320 by 320 by 385 millimeters build volume. It's like upgrading from a studio apartment to a mansion. You can print bigger models or just more of them at once. Size does matter, folks. Printing speed and quality. This is where the Neptune 4 Plus flexes its muscles. With speeds up to 500 millimeters per second and precise details thanks to input shaping and pressure advancing, this thing is a speed demon. The Tina 2, while no slouch, is more like a reliable family sedan. It'll get you there, but not in record time. Reviewers appreciate the Tina 2 for its consistent quality, but if you're in a hurry, Neptune 4 Plus is your go-to. Features galore. The Tina 2 has auto-leveling, a magnetic platform, and dual Z-axis rails for stability. It's got enough bells and whistles to keep you entertained. But the Neptune 4 Plus? It's got a direct drive extruder, a 300 degrees Celsius high-temp nozzle, and powerful cooling fans. Reviewers have noted that the Neptune 4 Plus is excellent for those looking to experiment with advanced features and upgrades. This thing could probably print an actual spaceship. Okay, maybe not, but it's close. Overall, reviewers find the Entina Mini-Tina 2 to be a high-quality, user-friendly printer perfect for beginners or those on a budget. It excels in ease of use and consistent print quality, but is limited by its small build volume. On the other hand, the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus impresses with its advanced features, large build volume, and fast printing speeds. However, it requires more setup and maintenance, making it better suited for experienced users willing to invest the time. So there you have it, folks. The Entina Mini-Tina 2 is your friendly, budget-friendly beginner's printer, while the ELEGOO Neptune 4 Plus is the powerhouse for those who want speed, size, and a whole lot of features. Which one will you choose? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you never miss out on our smart buying tips. Until next time, stay smart, stay savvy, and happy printing. Product links are in the description.